Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the easy way how to get Unlinked to your Firestick, as well as the best codes which you can use in Unlinked to jailbreak your Firestick, or in other words, to fully load your Fire TV stick. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, first of all, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your device, and then I'll show you my favorite codes. First of all, we'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and there in the search bar, start entering Downloader. As you can see, it already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings. Here they are, click on that button with a gear icon. Then we need to scroll down and here open My Fire TV. So we click on it, and there we'll need to enable developer options for your Fire Stick device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, if you cannot find your developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, we'll go to About, select Fire TV Stick here from the list, and then click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging there. Then we need to go to install unknown apps, open it. Here, locate Downloader from the list and make sure that this option is enabled for the Downloader application. So basically what it does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we need to go to the list of apps on our device. Let's go there and open it. And here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on our Firestick device. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just need to connect to any location. Let's say I will connect to Greece right now, and from the moment we connect, all our traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if we want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your computer or your phone, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing NordVPN offer. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now we can finally open the Downloader application. Here it is. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 234753. So once again, the code is 234753. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the code is not going to work for you. After that, click on Go. And now the app download has started for us. That was really quick. Then we have to click on Install and wait until Unlinked is installed to our device. After that, do not click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore. So click on Delete and then delete once again. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it. Then scroll down to the bottom and there you'll find Unlinked, which we just installed to our Firestick. Now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button of 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way Unlinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just of course don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use my link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Then finally we open the Unlinked application. And here we'll be able to use codes to access different libraries and to jailbreak your Firestick and get loads of different applications. So we have to click on Add a new library right there. Then click on the middle button on your remote and a keyboard is going to pop up for you. And now the first code is really simple. It's going to be Super Apps. So let's enter it. So it's Super Apps as one word, not 2 words. Yep, you can see the code on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and then click on Next right here. Then you also have to enter a PIN code, which is 911 and then again 911. So it's really simple as well. Then we have to click on Next and wait until the library opens for us. Now I had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact applications which are available in that library. However, trust me, you are going to like this one. I will still describe what kind of applications are available in here. First of all, you'll find a couple of alternative app stores which you can use to jailbreak your Firestick. Then some really popular movie applications to watch movies or TV shows on your device. Some cartoon applications or animation applications which might be interesting for your kids. Then also some utility applications to uninstall unnecessary stuff from your Firestick. Then again quite a big number of different movie applications of all kinds. There's more than 10 unique movie applications in that library, as well as some applications to watch retro movies or even live TV shows. And there are also some live TV players so you could connect your IPTV. And that was the first library of today, but I'll show you even more codes, which you can use in the Unlinked application. So now click on the back button on your remote and there click on the Add a new library. So the code is going to be 710AB04D. So once again, the code is 710AB04D. Then we actually click on Next and wait until the library opens. Once again, I had to blur out the screen because of YouTube rules. So what you're going to find here is quite a lot of different live TV players or IPTV players, some alternative launchers or alternative app stores for your Firestick, then applications to actually block ads on the Firestick, some apps to watch animation on your device, then once again more alternative app stores for your device, and again quite a lot of live TV apps, movie apps, TV shows apps, and stuff like that. All in all, in this library you'll find around 200 different applications, which is really nice. That's a huge number. So that was the second code of today, and let's look for even more codes. So we go back and start entering the codes again. The code is going to be 90D311FE. So once again, your code is going to be 90D311FE. Click on Next and wait until it loads. So this library is not too big, but the apps here are updated recently. And it's mostly intended for people who are looking for movie applications which are still working in 2024. There are 4 movie applications which are available in that library. I recommend you to test them all out and decide whichever works better for you. So that was the third code, and now I'll show you the last code of the day. This code is going to be really simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we click on Next right here. And that library is super huge. It has almost 1000 applications, which is insane. So there are basically all kinds of apps, pretty much anything you can imagine. Live TV apps, movie applications, animation, anime, web browsers, alternative app stores, cleaner applications, antivirus, ad blockers, so all kinds of apps that might be available on Firesticks. It doesn't even make sense to go through all those apps today on this video because it would take too much time. It would be easier if you take a look at those apps yourself when you try out the Unlinked. So today I showed you my favorite codes for Unlinked. Of course, don't forget to keep your VPN connected and properly set up to stay safe and out of trouble online. And don't forget to use my link or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Thank you for watching and enjoy!